Alright, exhaust manifold off a 2001 Mustang V6. Went to change oxygen sensors. Had to drop the exhaust to get to the sensors, so naturally the studs broke at the flange. Was going to heat it up with a torch. Try and back them out the way they came in with some vice grips. That didn't work. What I ended up doing, use this, cut it off flush. Got on the back side with vice grips. Let me see if you can see that. Got on the back side here with vice grips and ran it through this way instead of trying to take it out the way it came in. Exhaust manifolds are available, but trying to save a buck. I think if a shop is doing this, say the soda manifold, think outside the box. Think other ways to get it done. That's just my point there, people. Have a good weekend.